I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili flakes. First, selecting the right chili peppers is crucial for delicious flakes. Look for fresh, ripe chilies that have a vibrant color and feel firm to the touch. You can choose any variety you like, from mild to extremely hot, depending on your preference. This initial step sets the foundation for the flavor and intensity of your homemade flakes. Next, prepare your chilies by washing them thoroughly under cool water, then pat them completely dry with a clean towel. You can slice them lengthwise or into smaller pieces to speed up the drying process. For drying, you have a few options: an oven on its lowest setting, a food dehydrator, or simply air drying in a well-ventilated area. Ensure they are fully dry and brittle. Once your chilies are completely dry and brittle, it's time to turn them into flakes. Use a clean coffee grinder or a spice grinder for a consistent texture. Alternatively, a mortar and pestle works well for a more rustic grind. Grind them to your desired coarseness. Store your fresh chili flakes in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain their potency and flavor. Now you have your very own homemade chili flakes, ready to elevate your cooking. Sprinkle them on pizzas, pasta dishes, or into your favorite soups for an extra kick. They are also fantastic in marinades, salad dressings, or tossed with roasted vegetables. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy the vibrant flavor and heat of your freshly made chili flakes in all your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.